Hey, it's a beautiful day out. Aren't you going to go cut the grass?
The fucking lawnmower don't start. It's sat all winter, and now it doesn't start. I'm not a mechanic, but I got a plan.
Oh, no.
And I'll show you the plan.
Oh.
But I'm going to, because I can't afford to do lawnmower because I don't have a job. But I'll show you the plan, and it'll be okay.
What do you have on?
Well, I can't afford to do underwear because I don't have a job. But I think this is going to work. It's going to work. We'll see. Because I bought this new in the winter. In the winter time, the lawnmower won't start. But this is brand new.
Oh, my God.
It'll work.
Oh.